What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking the crown in to get the wheel alignment sorted. It was completely out of whack when I picked it up from being at different heights when it was in Japan. The previous owner had the air controller set how he want. So the air controller, it has 5 memory settings, and I needed to set them how I wanted. And then once you've set them, you need to obviously get the wheel alignment done at that setting. Now, for specifically the UZS186 in the owner's manual, it says something about you've always got to drive it at normal height. So because I've got the low-down kit, it actually still looks pretty slammed when I drive it at normal height. So that's one of the settings. You've got normal, and then M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. They're all your memory settings. So I always set it to, obviously, normal. Now, I'm going to take it in, let them know that. Also have a little chat with them about camber, because we can't go too much positive camber or change too much, because the wheels need to still be able to tuck up in the guards when I go to the hyper low mode. So we'll head in there. They've done the Supra in the past and they do an amazing job. So I'm really happy to take it there. And then, yeah, let's see how they go. All right, see you there. So we're just in here doing the alignment. They reckon that the camber shouldn't be an issue. Surprisingly, they got it up on the hoist, up on the machine at this height, which I'm stoked about. So we're just gonna jump underneath and he's gonna set it all up. This place is awesome. They did the Supra, first place to do the Supra properly in ages. So now we're just gonna down there and have a play. He's just gone around, set up all his attachments on all the wheels, and he's set all the wheels to 40 PSI, just so we're at an even point of where it's going to be. Now we're just finding the current settings, and then he's going to change it all to where it should be. Okay, so after all that adjustment, we've got the printout here. So right here was the previous setting. Now, a lot of you might not be able to read this specifically, but the big things to look at is that the total toe is out 21 millimeters. The back right was out 17 millimeters. It was absolutely ridiculous, because as you can see, it's now out 1.6 and the total toe is out 2.7. Now, they did say that there wasn't camber adjust in the back. I don't think there was actually camber adjust in the front, from what I remember them saying, because it's all airbags. I think that's what they were saying, but they've got it way better. The car drives absolutely amazingly now. It's like a different car. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked with how they did with that. When I say different car, I'm talking different car. Like, it drove like crap before, but I knew it was from the wheel alignment. Now it drives like a dream. So I'm super stoked. I actually put it in the hyper low mode earlier to make sure that the wheels are still clear, and they all still clear. So I'm really happy. It's completely transformed the car. So as for the suspension, that's all set now. And I hope that you guys can maybe take a little bit of something from this. If you've got your car on airbags, your car on factory airbags, and you've put this controller in, make sure that your wheel alignment's set up for the setting that you drive all the time. Keep in mind, they can only set it to one of the settings. They can't have a wheel alignment for all 5 memory settings, because as you move the car, it's going to affect each setting. So yeah, that's why I just set mine to normal and said, can you set it for that one? So it's perfect now. So just a short one today. Please like and subscribe, guys. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out on the Crown. There's going to be a bunch of how-tos, a bunch of little different things that we do to the car. So maybe turn the notifications on as well if you want to see some of that stuff. We will also still be doing the Supra videos and the feature videos, all that sort of stuff. This is just another project to add to the bunch. So apart from that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.